Hello everyone, how are you? This is our cookies depositor. You see, here I have 6 sets of cookies mold, 3 sets of wire cut. Here one sets heart shape, another sets round shape, and another one for a square shape. We have also lots of other type shape, and we also can customize customer requirement shape. Have cookies mold also, these 1 types, 2 types, 3 types. So this machine including 6 sets of cookies mold, but if you need more, we can customize according to your design. We have lots of design. If you want to make any design, just contact with us. We can customize your design. Also have here one toolbox. You see this toolbox with essential accessories. This is HMI for controlling full automatic, and this one for wire cut. You see, wire cut system, and back side this one for safety. See, here I have wire cut system, and this one is big hopper. See, high quality roller we use this.